It's October 3rd. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't already know, it is October 3rd, which to all the Mean Girls fans is a big significant day. The day that Aaron Samuels asked Katie Heron what day it was. Wanted to share this Mean Girls inspired look with you guys. I recently went to see the Mean Girls Broadway play, and let me tell you, it was so good. It was amazing. I would highly recommend it. Please go watch it. I give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you go with your girlfriends, your family members. Make sure to wear pink, and if you're able to, go on a Wednesday, just because on Wednesdays we wear pink. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this look. It is Mean Girls inspired, but you can even wear this on Valentine's Day or on a day you just feel like being pink. Hope you guys like this video. So I just want to give a big thank you to all of my subscribers. We reached 500 subscribers. Thank you, thank you. If you've been following me from the beginning, this is a real big moment for me. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome. We are in the midst of Halloween month, which is my favorite month if you guys don't already know. So I will be coming with more looks. This is just a Mean Girls look. It happened to be October 3rd on a Wednesday, so I figured why not. And we can also wear this for Halloween because I'm a mouse. Duh. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.